Good morning, viewers. We're in the throes of the crowd here and a bit of background competition, but very pleased to have the sponsors, not only to Italian auto icons, but to the event, the SWM Lambretta group. On my left is Steve, who's got the dual role of marketing manager. On my right is Goetz, who not only involved in the Lambrettas but also SWM's launched the last 2 years. On the right here of him is Vernon from Scooterama. They've taken on the Lambretta scooters. And Andrew sells jackets, the launch today. We've been involved in a few activities with you.
Well, it's been the third event in Melbourne within 10 weeks. And I would say we hit the floor running.
Good.
Sales, instantly sales. People don't just like the bike, they buy the bike, they ride the bike already. Dealer seems to be very happy with it as well.
Good.
And the crowds, you can see around as well. They bring the old bikes as well. It's happening. I'm happy with it.
Right, what about Steve? You've been very active coming to these promotions.
Yes.
What's your view on the future for Lambretta in Australia?
I think it's got a great outlook. It's great to be here at the event where everyone can touch and see the bikes and scooters and get amongst the community.
Well, that's what it's all about, and it's a big community, the Italian motorcycle and scooter background. Despite the noise in the background, you've got to say this
Ladies and gentlemen,
had a special feeling this year, Armistice Day. Yep. And Scooter, how have they been going?
They've been very good.
Very good. Let's go. Well, we interviewed Patrick a while ago, and he's pretty pleased. So we're good to see you here. Well, folks, there'll be other events where Lambretta's going to be around, and we look forward to doing more work with you. Well done.
Thank you. Cheers.